Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this electric baby nasal aspirator. Alright, so we got our aspirator right here. This one is offered in two different colors. They have the blue and they have the green. So this has 6 kinds of speeds, free to adjust the suction. You've got level 1, which is 15 kPa. Level 2 is 25 kPa. 3 is 35 kPa. 4 is 45 kPa, 5 is 55 kPa, and 6 is 65 kPa. So first off right here you do get the instructions manual. This just basically tells you how to use it, what kind of speeds it has. So the 65 kPa high suction power, this is the thick suctions which are absorbed in just seconds. So you do get a little plastic tweezers. These are plastic, they're not metal, so they're very safe. So this absorbs the superficial secretions of the nasal cavity. It absorbs the deep secretions of the nasal cavity, so it does clean up the nose. You get some of these extras. You get the charger. So this is the upgraded version of the nasal aspirator, which is a high speed, low noise. Even if the baby is sleeping, you can use this for the nose suction. So instead of using the old nose suction that you use by your hand, this one here is the electric one. So this one here is exactly 1.33 inches wide and approximately 7.99 inches high. This does use the USB micro cable charging. So there is the power button, and then you have 6 different modes. So this here at the top, this is where you'll connect your other suction. So there's a power button. It's got a nice little grip right here, and at the bottom is the charger. I'll go ahead and turn this on so you can hear how quiet it is through all the levels. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, it's not that loud, but it is a very powerful suction. So this electric nose suction has 2 shapes. The guard type is suitable for suction, allowing secretions, and the funnel type is suitable for suctioning deep secretions. So this is made of food grade silicone material, soft to the touch, and it will not hurt your baby's nasal. And this is to absorb your baby's snot and nasal mucus, the nasal aspirator, in time to avoid back suctioning phenomenon. So these are great instead of using the hand one. So there's 2 section types. So this one right here, you can see each level that I'm doing it just gets more powerful. So there's 2 different type of heads. It has 6 speeds, and you can switch between the speeds for any time. The LCD shows the suction level. It has a detachable tip kit. The tip kit is for the nasal sucker that can be easily removed and cleaned at any time. This does have a long battery life of 500 milliamp battery, which runs about 2 hours of charging, which can be used for a week long. The USB charging nose suction comes with a USB micro cable that you can charge the nose sucker and a device with a USB charging block, or you can also charge using your wall plug. So this one right here is the review of the baby aspirator. If you're looking for an upgraded version of the nasal suction instead of the old ones that you use with your hands, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This electric one can run for a whole week on just 2 hours of charge. You do get the charging cable, you did get tweezers, and you get some extra tips for this. I would highly recommend checking this one out.